Welcome to the Multimedia Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. I'm National Weather Service Meteorologist Aaron Gleason. This briefing will give details concerning multiple rounds of severe thunderstorms expected early next week. We are right in the middle of our main severe weather season here in Central Alabama, and while things have been pretty quiet so far this spring, there is unfortunately a significant risk of severe storms early next week. We have added some details to this briefing concerning the multiple rounds of severe weather since yesterday. The main driver for our severe weather threat is a big, slow-moving upper-level storm system that will really start to strengthen across the plain states on Sunday. This map shows all the relevant surface weather players, and the yellowish area on the map is where the main severe weather threat will be on Sunday. This is the severe weather outlook for Sunday issued by the Storm Prediction Center in Oklahoma. The large yellow area denotes a slight risk of severe storms, while the red area is where there is a moderate risk. With a large area of the Arklatex under a moderate risk for an event still 2 days away, the Storm Prediction Center is growing more confident that there will be a severe weather outbreak to our west on Sunday. Also note that the yellow, slight risk area gets very close to the western counties of central Alabama. The storms that develop to our west Sunday afternoon are expected to slowly weaken as they push eastward Sunday night because they will become more removed from the stronger winds aloft. But there is a chance that a few strong to severe storms could make it into west central Alabama early Monday morning. Here is Monday's weather map. The whole storm system is moving only very slowly eastward. Also notice that the main severe weather potential area has also shifted to the east slightly. After that initial round of storms diminishes Monday morning, another batch of storms is expected to develop back near the Mississippi River Monday afternoon. This second round of severe storms has a much better chance of making it into Alabama Monday night through Tuesday morning. Here is the corresponding severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for Monday and Monday night. A large portion of Mississippi and western Tennessee has been placed under a moderate risk for severe weather, and nearly all of central Alabama has at least a slight risk of seeing severe weather Monday evening into Tuesday morning. Looking briefly at the severe weather probabilities for Monday, much of central Alabama has at least a 30% chance of seeing severe weather within 25 miles of a point location. This is a fairly high percentage even for spring in Alabama. The black hatched area denotes where the Storm Prediction Center is most concerned about significant severe weather, including the possibility of strong tornadoes and widespread damaging straight-line winds. We agree in thinking that roughly the northwest half of central Alabama will have the greatest potential for seeing severe weather Monday evening through Tuesday morning, but we're still 3 days out, so the highest threat area could change. Moving ahead to Tuesday, the storm system inches closer still. We will continue to mention the potential of a third round of severe storms, with more storm development across Mississippi Tuesday afternoon and evening, and moving into Alabama after that. It's this third round of storms where we're most concerned about for central Alabama, as it will be the one most closely associated with the cold front at the surface and the strongest winds aloft. The Storm Prediction Center mentions the possibility of a significant severe risk during this time frame, basically Tuesday through Wednesday morning for us. But since this possible third round of severe weather is still 4 days away, they don't give it a slight or moderate risk designation, just an outline of where the greatest severe weather potential is located. Okay, that was a lot of information, so let's review the timeline. There is a potential first round of storms that may move into west central Alabama before 6 a.m. Monday morning. Meanwhile, round 2 develops to our west Monday afternoon and would most likely affect central Alabama Monday evening through Tuesday morning. Finally, round 3, which could potentially be the worst of the 3 if it materializes, may affect central Alabama beginning sometime around Tuesday afternoon and lasting all the way until the cold front moves through on Wednesday. So what kind of severe weather can we expect? Well, basically all types of severe weather are going to be possible. This includes tornadoes, some of which could be strong, widespread damaging winds, large hail, and since the whole system is expected to move through pretty slowly and the multiple rounds, there is a threat of heavy rainfall that could lead to some flash flooding concerns. Also, please remember that the forecast will continue to be refined as the event draws closer and we gain confidence on what exactly is expected to transpire. So please check back each day and we'll provide the most detailed information that we can. And finally, a note on preparation. This weekend is definitely the best time to prepare and review your severe weather safety plans. Think about all the different places you may be next Monday through Wednesday, where you live, work, play, meet up with folks. Do you know where your safe places are in all of those situations? And as always, you can get the latest forecasts and updates right off of our main webpage, which is weather.gov/BMX. We will post updates to our Facebook page and Twitter feed pretty often. Additional planning briefings like this one will be posted to our YouTube channel right up until the day the first event starts or until the threats go away. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call here at the office at 205-664-3010. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.